Hello YouTube. So I'm bringing you a video of the sounds of Mexico. Currently we are listening to a bell. Hopefully you can pick that up. And that is the trash. Usually in my neighborhood we get trash pickup almost every day except Sundays. But the other thing I'm recording is that there's supposed to be a earthquake alarm test today. So let's see if we could pick that up. Currently I'm living in Mexico City. Today is September 19th. And this is the anniversary of the big earthquake back in the 80s. Then another earthquake in 2017. And hopefully there's no earthquake today. But we'll see if we get that alarms going on. They failed last time when there was a small earthquake a couple months ago. And let's see if we can hear them today. Currently it is almost that time. 1:16, that's the time they said the alarms were going to sound. And I do not hear anything. I will probably pause the video and restart it once I hear them. Well, there they are. So hopefully you can hear them. That's the earthquake alarm. No, you cannot really hear it in my neighborhood. There it is. Actually, the gas guy have it. That's portable gas. We have tanks on our roof. And there it is. People don't know that this is an alarm, just a test alarm. I'm getting a little bit afraid. Dogs are starting to cry. Seismic test. This is the seismic